We guide you through how to stop spam on Discord server by setting up a free auto anti-spam bot and built-in protection. First thing you need to do is open Discord and make sure you have admin permissions on your server. Go to server settings, then open safety setup or moderation and enable auto mode, which is Discord's built-in anti-spam system. Create a new rule to block spam messages, repeated text, links, or excessive mentions, and set actions like automatically deleting messages or timing out spammers. For extra protection, you can also add free anti-spam bot by inviting it from a trusted bot website, granting it moderation permissions, and configuration its spam filters. Once enabled, your server will automatically detect a stop spam in real time, keeping your community clean and protected without paying for premium tools.